Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to book hotels using Acer points. So first of all, make sure to log in with your account, go to the official website all.acer.com and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in or logged in, after that you will see multiple options. So on the top section you will see stay and the loyalty program. So just click on loyalty program, and once you click on loyalty program you will see multiple options. So just go into this one, earn and redeem points. Once you click here, that will take you to the next page. So you just need to scroll down, and there are many ways to earn and use reward points. The first one is earn and the second one is redeem. So how can you earn these points? So you just need to stay in these hotels, as you can say, in participating hotels, booking flights and hotels, premium stays with one fine stay, extraordinary train journeys. You can just book all these and you will earn some points, but make sure that you are logged in with your account. And there are some multiple things that you can do, like event, shopping, boost your points, and transport. You can just go through all of them. Now let's say how can you redeem it. So just click on this redeem button. And once you click on redeem button, so now if you want to redeem those for your stay, as you can see, your hotel stays from 1000 points, from 2000, 7000, and extraordinary, like whatever, how many points do you have, that depends on it. You want to make a donation, you can do it. You want some entertainment, these are the points required for it. You want some transport, you want some event, shopping, like that depends on you, whatever you want to do. So just select it. And once you click here, as you can see, let's say I want to click on the first one. As you can see, you can just book it through online as well. Otherwise you can just like call the hotel as well. This is their number. You can choose the country and you will get the number. You can just call them, or you can do it at the hotel as well. That is your choice, and you can just book it through your points. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.